Hey there. Okay, today we are going to name our letters and letter sounds. All right, today my cards are in order. Okay, here we go. The name of the letter is A, and the sound is A. Good job. All right, the name of the letter is B, the sound is B. The name of the letter is C, the sound is K. Whoops, the name of the letter is D, the sound is D. All right, good. The name of the letter is E, the sound is E. The name of the letter is F, the sound is F. All right, the name of the letter G, the sound G. The name of the letter H, the sound H. The name of the letter I, the sound I. The name of the letter J, the sound J. The name of the letter K, the sound K. The name of the letter L, the sound L. The name of the letter M, the sound M. The name of the letter N, the sound N. The name of the letter O, the sound is Ah. The name of the letter P, the sound P. The name of the letter Q, the sound Qu. The name of the letter R, the sound R. The name of the letter S, the sound S. The name of the letter T, the sound T. The name of the letter U, the sound is The name of the letter V, the sound is The name of the letter W, the sound W. The name of the letter X, and the sound is X. The name of the letter Y, and the sound is Y. And the name of the letter is Z, the sound is Z. Great job.